Good morning. Udah tidur tapi cuma 2 jam. Gak bisa tidur, mata gue merah banget. Gue ngantuk tapi gak bisa tidur. Ngantuk banget sebenarnya, cuman berisik tetangga gue, berisik mulu sumpah. Mau ke pantai, lu nggak lihat nih outfit gue lucu. Mau berjemur. Biasanya nggak seaktif ini sih, cuman emang karena karena pengen ke pantai. Suara helikopter. Karena udah lama nggak ke pantai, lihat aja kulit gue udah putihan. Kangen banget. Gue kan baru tidur 2 jam. Jadi nanti di pantai gue bakal tidur. Ngantuk banget. Gue juga tahu yang helikopter gini kan. Lagi. Masih di bengkel udah berapa hari ya? Kayaknya udah seminggu deh di bengkel. Lupa. I just sleep for 2 hours. So yeah. Down by the nggak apa-apa, gue nggak masalah, mau nyusahin gue juga nggak masalah, karena gue sayang sama motor gue, nggak masalah banget. Gue ngeluarin duit berapapun ke bengkel terus, karena gue suka banget sama motor gue. Gue nggak pernah ngeluh kayak, kan gue sering banget kan motor gue mati di tengah jalan pas gue lagi sendiri. Gue nggak pernah ngeluh, kayak paling kayak cuma nangis doang dikit di jalan, abis itu kayak ya udah gue bawa ke bengkel terus minta tolong orang, udah. Nggak yang gimana, nggak yang pengen ganti motor atau enggak, tidak sama sekali, karena gue sayang banget sama motor gue, cinta sekali. Motor C70 terus bentar nggak pusing. Pusing sih sebenarnya, cuman nanti di sana gue tidur. Lo nggak pernah ngikutin gue apa gimana? Nggak tahu gue pakai nail art mulu. Gue suka pakai nail art cuman kayak sekali doang, terus habis itu istirahat beberapa bulan, karena setiap gue pakai nail art tuh gue kan pakai yang fake nails itu kan. Kalau pakai fake nails kan itu ngerusak kuku. Jadi sering banget kalau pas di remove tuh pasti kuku gue kebelah atau kayak tipis, jadi kayak lentur banget. Jadi gue istirahatin berbulan-bulan dulu baru pakai nail art lagi. Cuman selama ini di Bali belum pernah pakai lagi, terakhir kali pas sebelum pindah ke Bali. Dan gue juga bisa nail art sendiri. Gak pernah kelihatan, males. Gue live kalau lagi gabut doang. Favorit pantai di Bali, Uluwatu sama Nusa Dua sama Jimbaran. Gue tinggal di Canggu tapi gue gak suka pantai di Canggu, terlalu crowded.
Repeat to yourself that they're not really gone. Time has proven that fooling yourself into believing a lie is the most effective way to deal with things you have no control over. Keep listening to the mixtapes they made you. Overanalyze every single word you hear. Was this a sign that things were going wrong? No. You were the one who
Iya, di
you
blonde
were, not them.
alis gue, tapi belum gue retouch lagi karena udah muncul warna hitamnya tuh. Nanti mungkin sore atau malam kalau pulang dari
Go out for coffee 4 times a week by yourself. Always bring your notebook. Never stop writing. Leave little comics and thank you notes with your tip. Watch them smile as you get in your car. Talk down on yourself whenever possible. My life is shit because I deserve it, right?
Dogol tuh masuknya mana sih?
Really bad. It's nearly impossible for you to cry now.
Dekat mana?
Avoid your friends for weeks, even though they're the only sense of consistency you have left in your life. they really wanted to see you, they'd come, but they won't. Who cares? Allow yourself to lose interest in the things you love. Watch as you begin to take a backseat to the world around you. Don't fight it. Become a secondary character in your own motion picture. But most importantly, drown every single one of your feelings in old stolen rum. Learn to love the taste of it dripping down your throat. Find comfort in the warmth coming from your stomach. You're drinking bottled love now. You don't need other people to drive away your loneliness. You just needed to find a way to talk to it.
Hello.
I think of you all the time. Now that you're gone, I've been doing all kinds.
Betul itu daratan tinggi pir spot paling favorit. Pura Ulun Danau daratan tinggi. Dekat mana kalau deket-deket Kintamani ya? Atau Ubud? Enggak, Ubud bukan. How are you, Belly? I'm good, thank you. How about you? Di deket Kintamani juga kan ada ini kan, danau. Waktu itu ke danaunya yang di Kintamani, terus lagi nggak bisa, lagi ditutup atau gitu.
Yeah, listen close to my words, yeah. I'm a ghost, but it hurts, yeah. I got thrown to the curb, all alone, it's a curse, yeah. Put my soul in a verse, well, they don't know how it works, yeah. I've been searching for a new life, see the stepping stones in the dirt, yeah. I want everyone to love me, I want everyone to trust me, not gonna happen. I think about this every day, and dream about it every night. What am I lacking? Conversations in the mirror, knowing they're up in the
Where's
rear.
your outfit
Driving
for
along
today?
and I'm music playing
Bikini?
while I'm hearing. Hope you like it when you hear it. Yeah, I'm doing
I'm
this
wearing
for myself.
bikini.
I'm doing this to survive. I just wanna feel alive. Got some regrets in my head, but I'm pushing them all to the side. I wanna go hard, going so far, feeling so low. On my soul low, body so cold, going so numb, like a sore thumb, stick out too much. Definition of
Selamat
a
Hari Raya
bad
Idul
bitch.
Adha,
I
guys.
had to listen. I was always on the path
Mau
to blessing.
sate.
A boy with a castle vision. Yeah. Now they tearing me down, can't find a crown, can't make a sound. I couldn't show 'em what I am about. Listen close to my words, yeah. I'm a ghost, but it hurts, yeah. I got thrown to the curb, all alone, it's a curse. Yeah. Put my soul in a verse, well, they don't know how it works, yeah. I've been searching for a new life, see the stepping stones in the dirt. Yeah, I want everyone to love me, I want everyone to trust me, not gonna happen. I think about this every day, dream about it every night. What am I lacking? Conversations in the mirror, knowing they're up in the rear view, driving along, got no music playing when I'm sleeping.
Industrial udah 2 tahun.
When you hear it, listen close to my words, yeah. I'm a ghost, but it hurts, yeah. I got thrown to the curb.
2 tahun apa 3 tahun gitu.
Put my soul in a verse, they don't know how it works, yeah. I've been searching for a new life, see the stepping stones in the dirt.
Awalnya sampai ini lukanya tuh kayak bagian sininya tuh kan bengkak, jadi kayak kebelah, telinganya kebelah karena keteken anting. Jadi gue pakai tisu terus diganjel. Kalau dilepas lagi terus jadi kebelah lagi telinganya. Sama bengkak mungkin di area sini nih. Ke Bandung ngapain? Nggak salah arah kan, industrial ada dua, ada yang vertikal, ada yang horizontal. Kalau gue tadinya emang awalnya mau horizontal kan, mau yang kayak gini. Cuman tipe telinga gue ke bagian sini tuh lurus. Kalau bagian sini kan harusnya telinganya gini kan, baru bisa. Jadi harus kayak gini. Karena tulang lunak area kuping. Ini lebih parah lagi telinga gue yang ini. Ini tulang doang. Ini nggak ada apa-apanya sama ini. Tulangnya masih tebal ini. Cuma piercing di telinga sama ini dong. Sempet punya piercing di pusar cuman udah dilepas karena udah sobek, kulit perut gue udah sobek, terus ya udah gue lepas. Nggak bisa pasang piercing lagi di pusar. Ada ntar juga kesini. Tadi gue telepon bangun. Kayaknya masih di kasur. Halo. Ke pantai kan emang enaknya pagi gak sih? Kan bukan buat lihat sunset. Pantai enaknya pagi ke siang. Hari ini tidur 2 jam doang. Gak bisa tidur.
You were a phonograph, I was a kid. I sat with an earful listening. Was there when the rain tapped your way down your face? You were a miracle, I was just holding space. Well, time has a way of throwing it all in your face. The past is haunted, the future is lace. Heartbreak, you know, drives a big black car. I swear I was in the backseat, just minding my own. Lies, the corn crows come like rain. They won't stay, they won't stay too long now. This could be all that we're
Iya, Tumblr.
of love and all. Well, you were a dancer and I was a rag. Song in my head, it was all that I had. Oh, was a letter I never could send. Well, love was a country we couldn't defend.
Ngantuk.
Carnival, we watched them go round and round. All we knew of home was just the sunset and some clowns. Oh, well, you were alive as a man, plain Jane, walking the sidewalks, covered in pain. Love is good, some of your stories make all plain Jane glory. Just made an all in my plain Jane glory.
Lupa kan, gue mau ngambil pot, ngapain duduk lagi? Ngintip dikit.
Take a deep breath, drive around town. Sun in my eyes, out of my mind, missing you now. This my life, whispering your name. If anything's part of you, part of me when we stayed home for the summer. Memorize your number. I just got this feeling if you disappear, then we'd still find each other. I'm stuck on you.
Halo.
Stuck on rest of my life. Don't let me go, 'cause baby, that's my worst fear. Hope this doesn't sound weird. I just got this feeling if you ever moved on, I'd still wanna stay here. I'm stuck on you. I'm stuck on you.
IG ada di bio.
I'm stuck on you. I'm stuck on you. I'm stuck on you. How could I ever go without you I've seen the sun go down a million times. I walk the cities all alone at night. In places that I've heard about.
Gak akan tidur.
They feel way too.
Kan gue bilang nanti tidurnya.
I've read up on some things like alchemy.
Kenapa lo bubur?
Tried to challenge my philosophies.
Lapar malah gue pengen bubur ayam.
On my lips, but still I miss you. This whole world
Ya kan, bubur ayam enak banget.
is my favorite.
Kalau nggak bubur ayam, namanya apa sih yang di tukang nasi uduk yang pakai kuah? Yang pakai lontong, lontong sayur. Tim bubur diaduk. Gak diaduk aneh banget sumpah, orang aneh makan bubur gak diaduk, gak ada rasa. Terus gue suka bubur ayam yang ada kuah kuningnya. Kalau nggak ada kuah kuningnya gue nggak suka. Gue tipe orang yang makan apapun harus ada bumbu-bumbu kayak berkuah. Terus kayak bumbunya yang medok kayak gitu. Terus dicampur kalau pakai nasi ya diaduk. Pokoknya harus ada bumbu-bumbunya. Kalau kering banget gak enak. Gak nafsu makan. Ya kan aneh. Outfit gak pernah gagal sama pernah, apalagi motornya gokil. Motor gue emang gokil banget. Kenapa oper? Bubur ayam pakai nasi. Atur aja sesetres mungkin. Mabar, gue udah pakai bikini nih, udah siap mau ke pantai. Sumpah pengen lontong sayur. susah di sini cari. Di sini nggak ada yang kayak di rumah yang jualan nasi uduk, terus jualan lontong sayur. Nggak pernah lihat. Yuk beli bubur.
Say what you wanna say. You can set a fire
To my name, talk about all the times I make you sad.
and all of my mistakes. I was there to catch every teardrop falling from your
Malah izin apa izin guys.
never had to wonder where I stood. I was always one step behind. And you know I fought for us and fought for every night. There's a reason that
Kalau dibeliin mau nggak?
all the time you can't take go alone. If you isn't my side.
Pagi. Akun ini banyak banget akun fake-nya. Akun ini banyak banget akun fake-nya. What's that mean, bro? MBG ya. Karisma. Makan bareng Beril. Beril siapa? Beril saha? Aura-auran. Aura-auran.
Talk about all the times I make you sad. It's all of my mistakes, but I hope every night.
Buah apa yang paling manis? Fuck, gue terngiang-ngiang lagu itu. Ini kerang bukan ulet. Bukan buah lil. Sorry. Sama, gue jadi terngiang-ngiang mulu lagu itu. Kami dari 27 mending lagu itu ya sih. Pas banget nih 27 Mei. Sama lagu itu gue terngiang-ngiang mulu dari semalam. You remember all the good parts.
When I first saw your face, it took my breath away.
Iya kan, lucu kan?
But I couldn't find the words to
Tuh modelnya kayak piercing gue, septum.
on my mind. Was the rest of my life. Felt it when I looked in your eyes that night.
You will be my last forever.
I want this to last forever. I would die if one day we couldn't be together. I beg you, baby, please, for you to promise me you would be my last.
My diamond straight in the morning. Just woke up. Gue gak punya nukar. Nukar apa? Nukar duit.
Some love just don't bring you in time.
Halo. Last forever. I would die if one day we couldn't be together. I'm begging, baby, please. You don't promise me. Kalau ada yang nanya orang mana tuh tinggalnya atau asli? Gue bingung nih jawabnya. Kayak asli orang mana? Orang mana tuh nanyanya ya tinggal di tempat sekarang atau asli mana? Asli Bandung, tinggal di Bali. Kurban teteh, kurban ke mana? Pasti dia lelaki mah lobana berkorban. Hei, lain lelaki doang nu berkorban awewe ge sarua. Nggak tahu di sini nggak ada yang apa, masjid aja jauh nggak kedengeran apa suara apa takbiran. Nggak dapet kupon. Sok atuh pantai lagi nunggu temen nih, dia kayaknya belum siap. Neng teh wenang kurban awewena maksudnya balinya di Canggu kupon lotre. Apa yang dipikir anting? Cause everybody Juli panas. I don't know. Kayaknya iya deh. Kemarin hujan kayak cuman sehari doang apa 2 hari gitu. Terus kayak bentaran doang. Kayaknya udah masuk musim panas. Iya, gue suka gambar. Ribet ya kalau gue bawa ke pantai, bawa alat-alat buat ngegambar. Kayaknya seru. Pengen kentut. Kalau ngeliat di jalan gitu terus nyapa karena follow di TikTok sopan ya. Sopan banget. Gak apa-apa banget. Kalau ketemu gua ya jatuh. Mana? Tuh. Sebenarnya gue pengen surfing tapi gue nggak bisa berenang, sama gue juga takut ombak.
You and I always fight about the same old thing. In the car, at the bar, by the kitchen sink. You used
Air putih banyak terus.
you want me now, we just say sorry. You and I
Soalnya gue ngopinya kuat banget, jadi kalau nggak minum air putih banyak takut bahaya ke ginjal.
but I never listen to my head.
Say I'm gonna go, can't take it anymore. Kids are in my head.
Got one foot out the door. Every time I try to leave.
I wanna let me.
I don't care, God, I hate the place we're in. But I forget for a sec when I kiss your lips. I should have probably already left.
But I'll never listen to my heart.
Say I'm gonna go, can't take it anymore. Keys are in my hand, got one foot out the door. Every time I try
Thank you.
my heart won't let me be the one to quit. I know
Apparently when is our wedding?
myself will only make it worse.
Damn.
Every time I try,
สวัสดีค่ะ
my heart won't let me. My heart won't let me.
Masa kalung Ai kalung Ai gimana kalung Ai? Asli
Sorry, why
Ai
not just walk away?
Say I'm gonna go, can't take it anymore.
Keys are in my hand, got one foot out the door. Every time I
Ke Thailand akhir tahun mungkin. Si mungkin banyak aja tato. Terakhir nambah aja gue kecil nih tato, nggak kelihatan kan kentut. Kemana ya?
Where I'm from, you fall in love. You get a job and settle down. Where I'm from, you go to church. Don't question what they talk about. Who you are
At 22.
is everything you'll ever be. Growing up means giving up. Everybody's giving up on me. I bleach my hair and paint my nails. Most days I wake up in hotels. My favorite thing to drink is whiskey. I play guitar to pay my bills.
All of my friends back home got married. While I'm still going our first dates. Sometimes I wonder what I'm missing.
What does it mean to act my age?
What does it mean?
Where do I go?
Somebody tells me.
I'm dying to know. And now I'm here in LA, and no one's trying to settle down. Some of us go to church. Doesn't mean we don't sleep around. Am I too rich to be this cheap? Am I too old to feel this free? Growing up, it's giving up. Everybody's giving up on me. I bleach my hair and paint my nails. Most days I wake up in hotels. My favorite thing to drink is whiskey. I play guitar to pay my bills.
All of my friends back home got married.
While I'm still going on first dates. Sometimes I wonder what I'm missing. What does it mean to act my age? What does it mean? Where do I go? Where do I go? Somebody tell me. Somebody tell me. I'm dying to know. I'm dying to know. Cause I bleach my hair and paint my nails. Most days I wake up in hotels. My favorite thing to drink is whiskey. I play guitar to pay my bills. All of my friends back home got married. While I'm still going on first dates. Sometimes I wonder what I'm missing. What does it mean to act
Apa yang blaster?
what does it mean? What does it mean? Where do I go? Where do I go? Somebody tell me. Somebody tell me. I'm dying to know.
Kayak ada orang depan kamar gue, nggak nyari apa-apa. Kayaknya si ibu deh.
She loves to sail, she loves the bar. Got half the beach left in my car. Sweetheart from a sweet home Alabama, trailer park. Straight off the page of a magazine, a quintessential beauty queen. My princess Diane, vintage tees and torn up jeans.
Everybody thinks I'm lying.
When I say she's mine,
She's
all of my every single way. And can you believe she's sleeping at my place? It's just a matter of time, but I hope she never realizes she's so much better than me. She's out of my
Kok merah banget sih di live? Anjay. Aslinya enggak. Mau ke pantai. Merah banget. Kenapa ini? Gue nggak pakai filter. Kita dulu ya, mau ke kamar tetangga. Bye bye.